viewers and subscribers, my dear parents and my dear students. Today again we are going to have two more sessions. One with Balaji. Hi Balaji. One with Gautam. Hi Gautam. Yeah, we are going to have a two session in which both of them they are going to take in an elaborated way for the question in dual nature of radiation which has been asked in 2012. Then myself you know very well I am going to a shortcut way in which I am going to answer within few seconds. Let us go for the session now.
A photoelectric surface is illuminated successively by a monochromatic light of wavelength lambda and lambda by 2. If the maximum kinetic energy of the emitted photoelectrons in the second case is 3 times that in the first case the work function of the surface of the materials is. The options are option A Hc by lambda, option B Hc by 3 lambda, option C Hc by 2 lambda, option D Hc by lambda.
In this question, the important points are wavelength, lambda and lambda by 2. Another important point is, second case is 3 times that in the first case. Let us go to the solution. According to Einstein photoelectric equation, Kmax1 is equal to Hc by lambda minus phi naught. In second case, they are given lambda by 2. Kmax2 is equal to Hc by, we substitute lambda in the place of lambda by 2 minus phi naught. Here Kmax2 is equal to 3 times Kmax1. We substitute 1 and 2 in third equation. We write Kmax2 value is equal to 2Hc by lambda minus phi naught is equal to 3 times of Kmax1. Kmax1 value is equal to Hc by lambda minus phi naught. We write 3 into Hc by lambda minus phi naught. We distribute 3 to the Hc by lambda and minus phi naught. We write 3 Hc by lambda minus 3 phi naught. We take phi naught value to the left hand side and Hc by lambda to the right hand side. We write 3 phi naught minus phi naught is equal to 3 Hc by lambda minus 2 Hc by lambda. 3 phi naught minus phi naught is equal to 2 phi naught is equal to 3 Hc by lambda minus 2 Hc by lambda is equal to Hc by lambda. Here we transfer 2 to the denominator, then the equation becomes phi naught is equal to Hc by 2 lambda. Let us see the options. Option A 2 Hc by lambda, B Hc by 3 lambda, option C Hc by 2 lambda, option D Hc by lambda. The correct option is Hc by 2 lambda. Option C is the correct answer.
Yeah, now is the time for going to the shortcut method. So for the given sum, Balaji has explained very clearly in an elaborated way to find the answer for the NEET question which has been asked in 2012. But if you go into that method, it will take definitely more than 4 to 5 minutes to solve the sum. Let us go for the shortcut tricks in which you are going to have only one number in the session. First, write down the formula for work function. You know that what is the formula for the work function? Yes, you are right. The formula is pi is equal to Hc by lambda is the general formula. Write down this formula always for the work function. Now I have to find the number which has to be inserted in the denominator. To find the number, see here what is the number given. It has been given as 3 times. If it is given as 3 times, what is the number before 3? The number before 3 is 2. Now we can insert that number 2. Yes, that's all. We have finished the answer within few seconds. The answer is pi is equal to Hc by 2 lambda. What is the trick? Again I will tell you. You have to write the general formula, that is pi is equal to Hc by lambda. This is the general formula. Then you see how many times it has been given. If it is 3, what is the number before 3? It is 2. Insert 2 here. That's all.
Therefore, work function is Hc by lambda. See the given number. It is 4. What is the number before 4? It's 3. Substitute this 3 in the denominator. The answer is hc by 3 lambda. The option is
I hope you would have enjoyed this session beautifully. And Gautam has taken a shortcut trick instead of me one question in a very jolly mood. And Balaji has taken in an elaborated way. Now, what you have to do is, you have to subscribe my channel, it is so important. And put a like symbol and also press the bell button. Kindly view all my videos completely, don't skip away. So thank you very much and be with me for the next episode.